Hi, it's Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to the Charitable Registration Widget tutorial. The Charitable Registration Widget creates a registration form for the new donors to enter into your campaign. This one has identical features as the Charitable Login widget. If you have seen the previous video, you may skip this one. For the options, we have one section under the Content tab. There's a field for inserting logged in message, a field for changing the text below the button, and a redirect link field. You may redirect registered users to any internal page within your website. The Style tab has some section commanding different parts of the content. The first section lets you customize the whole form by color, border, padding, and a box shadow. Next, you could change the label's color spacing as well. There are 3 input fields and you can customize them all. Another section for changing the appearance of the button below. Add the hover effect for better view. Lastly, change color and font of the linked text at the bottom. That's it. Please like, share and subscribe our video to get more updates. If you have any inquiry, then comment down below. Thanks for watching.